in the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like.
Hello guys again. You probably just watched the other video side by side. If not, you can watch it after this. And okay, on our agenda again today we have matrix concatenation, but this time it's joining two matrices, one below the other. So as per usual, we're going to start with naming our two matrices, and then yes, we can call this matrix a 4 by 4. Okay, let's change it up. Let's do a 5 by 5. Yeah, 5 by 5. So 5 by 5 matrix, and then B we'll do okay. So there's also a rule that you have to abide by this. Remember in the first video there was a rule that they had to be the same number of rows, and this rule they have to be the same number of columns, right? So now the number after the comma must be the same, and this is really easy to understand, guys. Just imagine it. Just imagine it. I mean, if you don't have the same number of columns as this, that means that okay, let me just do this. Do they have the same number of columns? Yes. So if you didn't have the same number of columns, that means that B would end at this column and this would not exist. And how do you, so your matrix is basically going to look like this. And yeah, that's, you can see the picture is just out of place. So yes, and then how you join them is that you also join them with your square bracket, but however, when you're joining matrix one below the other, so you're joining matrices with the same number of columns, you put the name of the first one, and then you put a semicolon, and then the name of the second matrix. This, as you can see, it works. It just join the two matrices one below the other. And then let's just test it out again if the one matrix did not have the same number of columns. So if you change this number to a 4, B would be that, and then if you try joining them, it wouldn't work because the dimensions are not the same. And yes, that's it. That's a short video. And then stay in touch, like, subscribe, and comment, and give suggestions. And I hope that you guys are understanding it. Thank you a lot.